Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's discuss how to add CAPTCHA in your websites. If you add your CAPTCHA in your website, it looks so good, and in any user uses your website, it looks like it's very secure website. So let's see how to add CAPTCHA. To do this step, first open the terminal in VS Code. I open the terminal and I redirected to my app. And first step to install the CAPTCHA is npm install react simple CAPTCHA. It installed. Wait a minute. Yeah, it is successfully installed on my laptop. And second step is open the browser. Wait a minute. Open the browser and search for React CAPTCHA npm and open the first link you got. This is the documentation of React simple CAPTCHA. First step is in npm install. We do this step already. So second step is import this statement and copy this statement. Import this one and paste here. Right, successfully pasted. And open again browser and again paste this step. Here where we written in return statement we are pasting. So write return and paste here. Yeah. And you see that R is there. So you can copy this one or this one. So I copy it here. There is no change. And third step is copy this one function did mount function and copy this one and paste here. And component did mount function is a class component function, so it did not work in functional component. If you use in functional component, paste this one in use effect function. You all know about that, use effect function. So I convert the class function component into class function by class app extend. If you want do this in function, paste this one in use effect function. Okay, extend component and component is be imported from the React. In class component we all know render is there. In render we paste the return function. Okay, that's it. Let's see how it works by doing npm start. Oh sorry, npm start. Yeah, you got some errors here. So I know this error is coming, already coming. So for you seeing how to resolve the error, I written like this. So by resolve this error, by simply add this command npm install buffer and save here once time and npm install buffer. Yeah, if now start the survey. Oh sorry. Now it's perfectly fine. The CAPTCHA is loaded here. If you click on reload CAPTCHA, CAPTCHA is changed. So this is how we add CAPTCHA to your websites. To validate this CAPTCHA, simply add this input statement here. Now we see the how to validate the CAPTCHA. Input type equal to text, and I add some styles so that you can clearly visible and to you. Add some styles here. I am adding the display function flex to take the center of the website. If you did not know about flex, please let me know. Let me know in comment section. I will post a video about that. Let's see how it works. Yeah, it coming in the center. It coming in the center. To take in middle of the center, how we do is just simply add height something equal to 100. Now see what happening. So now it coming center. So next step is to get the value of the CAPTCHA. We created some state function. State equal to some random CAPTCHA. To get the value of that input into the CAPTCHA, what we do is return the on change method. And in on change method, we get the event. That event value should be triggered to this CAPTCHA. So we're using set state function. That event value, that means event dot target dot value. This is happen when we on change, when we return something in the input function, it triggered to on change function. On change function, and on change function we return this dot set state. That means the value of the input statement, it goes to CAPTCHA value. It goes to this value. Okay. So next thing is we validate the form. So by do this step, by simply add button here. Button type equal to something submit. By type equal to submit. One second. And when the submit button is clicked, on submit method will be triggered. So we calling the on submit method here. By the on submit, we create some function submit form. Create a arrow function and return that function here, restore submit form. And by unnecessary activities, we do this step. Here we event is triggered. Event dot default. Event dot prevent. Default. And again open your web browser where we get the documentation of the CAPTCHA. Here fourth step, we see that there are one if statement and an else statement. Copy this one and paste here. And the user CAPTCHA value, we get the CAPTCHA value. So here we get the state function. Const say captcha equal to this dot string and place the captcha here in place of either captcha value captcha. So here if you enter the value is equal to that captcha value, the captcha match alert is triggered. If it did not match, the captcha does not match, alert is triggered. Let's see how it works. Save it and open your browser and see the. So let's see if we did not do any step here and directly I submitted what captcha does not match. Yeah, it working. I written the same one 0 capital Y O B X Y. I click on submit. CAPTCHA is matched. So we done how to add CAPTCHA to your website and how to validate that CAPTCHA into your input value. So that is about this video. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe the video. And thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.